Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C21Y and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on apps and notifications. Now let's enter special app access, and here we have to find the option which is called install unknown apps. And as you can see here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case to install something. So in order to change it, for example in order to allow Chrome to install some content, just tap on it and tap on this switcher right here. As you can see, it is active, and after getting back we can see the information that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. But be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and your device in general on the risk. So as I said, remember about that. And of course it will work the same with all other apps. You can turn off the permission whenever you want to. Just go back to the Chrome, in my case of course, and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your REALME C21Y. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.